Hi, moving on as cubic equation. 3 cube root of square root of 5 minus 2. Here this, as I'm going to solve this expression, the answer will get should be greater than 0. So let's start our solution. First, I'm going to suppose where x is equals to this given equation. Now I want to remove this cube from the right hand side, so I'm going to raise cube both the side. Now here this and this get cancelled, so we get x cube is equals to square root of 5 minus 2. Now we're going to suppose y here, y is equals to cube root of square root of 5. Here I will going to equate positive sign. So now I want to remove this cube root here, so I'm going to raise cube root with this side. So it will turn to where this and this get cancelled, so we will get y cubed is equals to root 5 plus 2. Now here we get the two expression where we have given to minus 1 and then this I'm going to minus 2. Now in the next step I am going to subtract equation 1 and 2. So we will get x cubed minus y cubed is equals to root 5 minus 2 and then minus root 5 plus 2. Now we're going to solve it out. X cubed minus y cubed is equals to root 5 minus 2 and root 5 minus plus minus 3. This positive and this negative will get cancelled, and the remaining expression will get x cubed minus y cubed is equals to minus 4. Now I'm going to name this expression as 3. Now what I will do, I will going to first find out the value of x and y, because out here I will going to plug in the perfect cube formula here. So for that I need the x and y. For that I will going to multiply
X and Y equation that I suppose in the beginning.
x times y is equals to 3 cube square root of 5 minus 2 and here times cube root of square root of 5 plus 2. Here I am going to apply the radical property, that is n root a times n root b is equals to n root a times b. So this will turn to x times y is equals to cube root 5 minus 2 bracket root 5 plus 2 bracket. Now here, if you can see this, this is in the form of perfect square. So I'm going to apply the perfect square formula here, that is square minus b square is equals to a plus b bracket a minus b. Now I am going to apply this here, so it will turn to xy is equals to cube root, and inside the cube root I'm going to write 5 whole is power 2 minus 2 whole is power. Here this square root and will get cancelled, so the remaining expression will get xy is equals to cube root of 5 and this 2 to 10 was 4. So the extra value will get root of 1 and cube root of 1 always is 1. That's why is equals to. So this is xy value. Now I'm going to continue with my equation 3. X cube minus y cube is equals to minus 4. And here I will going to plug in this perfect cube formula. That is a cube minus b cube is equals to bracket a minus b bracket a square plus ab plus b square. So now I am going to apply this here. X minus y bracket x square plus xy plus y square bracket close is equals to minus 12. So now I will going to solve this further. X minus y bracket close. X square, now I'm going to rearrange it here. X square plus y square plus xy bracket close is equals to minus 4. Now if you can see carefully, I can write here the perfect square formula, that is x minus y. I'm going to write same as an integration of x square plus y square. I am going to write x minus y whole raised to power 2 plus 2xy. Xy is equals to minus 1. Now here I will going to add up the like terms. So this equation turns to x minus y whole raised to power 3 plus 3xy is equals to minus 1. Next, I will going to multiply this x minus y with this and with this. So it will turn to x minus y whole raised to power 3 plus 3xy bracket x minus y bracket is equals to minus 4. Now here I will going to plug in the value of xy. So it will turn to x minus y whole raised to power 3 plus 3 and times 1 bracket x minus y is equals to minus 1. This will turn to x minus y cube plus 3 bracket x minus y bracket is equals to minus 1. Here we have the x minus y is common. So I am going to write x minus y is equals to p. So this equation turns to p cube plus this 3p is equals to minus 4. Now next I'm going to take this minus 4 to the left hand side. P cube plus 3p 4 is equals to 0. Now I'm going to write this 4 in this form. P cube plus 3p plus 1 plus 3 is equals to 0. Now I am going to rearrange it. P cube with plus 1 plus 3p plus 3. Now here I am going to apply the perfect cube formula. So the formula we have, that is a cube plus b cube is equals to a plus b bracket a square minus ab plus b square. So I will going to apply it here. So this equation turns to this a and this is b. E plus 1 is e square minus t plus 1. And here I'm going to take the common of 3 plus 3, and this t I'm going to have same as plus 1 is remaining, so is equals to 0. From here we're going to take the common of t plus 1. Notice we have positive 3 bracket is equals to 0. Going to simplify it further. T plus 1 bracket t square minus t, and this will turn to positive 4 is equals to 0. We have two cases. T plus 1 is equals to 0 and t square minus t plus 4 is equals to 0. The first case value we will get t is equals to, this will go to the right hand side, so it will turn to negative 1. And here I'm going to find out the discriminant. So the formula for the discriminant we have. So the discriminant, that this is A and this is B and this is C value we have. Now we're going to plug in. So the B value we have, that is minus 1 square minus 4, and A we have 1 and C we have positive 4. Here this will turn to positive 1 minus 4, 4 times give us 16. So the discriminant we find out, that is negative 15, that is less than 0. That means there is no real solution for this case too. So this should be rejected. Now are we going to recall x minus y is equals to t. Are we going to plug in the t value, that is negative 1. Negative 1. Now what I will do, I am going to write the expression that we find out by the first two expression. Now I'm going to take the expression that we find out by multiplication of first two equations. So that we have x times y is equals to 1. Now I want to find out the value of y here. So I will going to rearrange this equation, and I will going to take this y to the right hand side and take this negative y to the left hand side. So this equation turns to y is equals to x plus 1. Now I will going to plug in the y value here. So that is x plus 1 is equals to 1. Now we're going to expand this equation, so it will turn to x squared plus x is equals to 1. Next, I'm going to take this 1 to the left hand side, so this will turn to a quadratic equation. Now I'm going to use the quadratic formula here to find out the value of x. We have, now I'm going to plug in the a, b, and c value here. X is equals to, we have positive 1, and this is the negative sign, plus minus root positive 1, here we have 1, and so we have negative 1 over 2. Now we're going to simplify it further. It will turn to x is equals to negative 1 plus minus root 1 minus plus 4 over 2. Now as I'm going to simplify it further, it will turn to negative 1 plus minus root 5 over 2. X is equals to minus 1 plus root 5 over 2. X is equals to minus 1 minus root 5 over 2. Now this x value is greater than 0 and this is less than 0. Therefore, this case can be rejected. In the beginning, as I told you, our equation answer should be greater than 0. Now here I am going to recall x is equal to root of root 5 minus 2. Therefore, the value of x we find out that is root 5 negative 1 over 2. And the given equation we have cube root of square root of 5 minus 2. Therefore, the answer for the given equation we have root 5 minus 1 over 2. Thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel.